We gon' fit tell you, get down. This is life, we tell you. Robby and Victor, we rolling on the street. Before me feeling me calling me out, so song them this a lifestyle. We gon' fit tell you, get down. This is life, we tell you. Robby and Victor, we rolling on the street. Before me feeling me calling me out, so song them this a lifestyle. We gon' fit tell you, get down. This is life, we tell you.
When I was young, I used to be a full boy, and to can want to live up to 10. Cause when me realize my life I can live yet, and now we come a road boy, we rap on the set. To make them y'all, we check them ways, we make them boys, we knock them head. So yeah, I know you love me when I jot my lyrics. That's why them I say me other than fire. No matter what them say, we gonna be higher. Put up on the station, rum fit up man. So Georgia the creators, I know you only one. That make me feel alright when I jot my lyrics. You make me do the musician, you make me feel so happy. So Georgia, you know you the only one that make me.
This a lifestyle, we gon' fit tell you, get down. This is life, we tell you. Robby and Victor, we rolling on the street. Before me feeling me calling me out, so song them this a lifestyle, we gon' fit tell you, get down. This is life, we tell you. Robby and Victor, we rolling on the street. Before me feeling me calling me out, so song them this a lifestyle, we gon' fit tell you, get down. This is life, we tell you. I got no time, baby, I rolling on the street. For I find myself like a big boys up. You wanna know my lifestyle, you gotta ask me question. Days after days, people say I'm a bad boy. Get it out of wrong, and looking for a good life. Come and see me, I know you like it.
What's the time back at what to walk around? I found a wonderful girl, cause every time I walk around I keep think about her. So girl, so me love, cause every time when I walk I keep think about you. I was in the ghetto, and I ain't no job, and I ain't no money, but I have big love.
Forget the love, hot like a flow, so quiet.
Yeah, I know life never come twice. You must have a break, keeping it living, keeping it down. Nobody go live forever, just break it like this. I go push back my eyes to the jar.
This a lifestyle, we gon' fit tell you, get down. This is life, we tell you. Robby and Victor, we rolling on the street. Before me feeling me calling me out, so song them this a lifestyle, we gon' fit tell you, get down. This is life, we tell you. Robby and Victor, we rolling on the street. Before me feeling me calling me out, so song them this a lifestyle, we gon' fit tell you, get down. This is life, we tell you.
Robby, make them know you. Victor, tell them.
Mambo nilibeba, miaka 9 ulichoka. Kuzaliwa mtoto kijana, kawa ni mimi mwana. Mambo itabasamu, kwani nipenda kijana. Kama mtoto mzuri, kabidi zawadi nipate. Baba alifurahi sana, pokea ujumbe wa mwana. Kwa ile mimba ya mama, nilibeba mtoto kijana. Ilibidi babu aitwe, baba kalipa mahari. Bila bageni yoyote, malipo lizidi kipimo. Sasa ona kijana, shule limetoroka, elimu ya wazazi nimekana, kaamua kuishi upweke. Sasa napata shida, kubeba mizigo mizito. Kuwa chaoma uchungu, kula kulala ni bahati. Usili nimejiweka mwenyewe, kabidi niwaze wazazi. Kuitwa mwizi nimeitwa, hilo likawa litoshi. Nikaitwa mie jambazi, hilo likawa afadhali. Baadaye jina kageuzwa, ilifaa niitwe chokora. Oh, city boy, kwa nini? Babu yangu hai, mama nyanya hai. Oh,
A lifestyle, we gon' fit tell you, get down. This is life, we tell you. Robby and Victor, we rolling on the street. Before me feeling me calling me out, so song them this a lifestyle, we gon' fit tell you, get down. This is life, we tell you. Robby and Victor, we rolling on the street. Before me feeling me calling me out, so song them this a lifestyle, we gon' fit tell you, get down. This is life, we tell you.
Complex Production Studio.
jamii naomba radhi, damu yenu mimi isiwe kama laana, mimi muhimu kwenu. Juzi kaenda kwa shangazi, watoto wakanitoroka kwa vile navaa matambara, ishara ya uendazimu. Nilitokwa na machozi kwa vile sikuamini, watoto damu yetu mbio wananitoroka. Siku iliyofuata nikaenda kwake mjomba kuniona mimi huyo, mlango kaja ukafungwa. Jamii naomba radhi, damu yenu mimi isiwe kama laana, mimi muhimu kwenu. Oh,
This is life, we gon' fit tell you, get down. This is life, we tell you. We come to tell you, get down, this is life we tell you.